Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So after a long time I'm talking to you guys. Basically I'm coming from Vizag, driving back home to Kakinada. I just went to Vizag on a small trip. Basically I just went on some family business. So it's been already I think 5 days that I went to Vizag, and today I'm heading back home. Today is Saturday. Not sure what date it is, but yeah, today is Saturday. Maybe I'll post the video tomorrow so you people can know. I'll be posting the video on Sunday, so whatever the day today will be, you people already know that. And I did not start the vlog when I was starting because there was a lot of traffic expected in Vizag. Vizag has the next worst traffic when compared to Hyderabad. So that's why I had to start the vlog somewhere on the road once I crossed Kasimkota. So that's why speedy. So that's why I started this vlog now. I'm heading back home. It's a 3.5 hours journey. Because of the traffic, it will take 4 hours, obviously, in general time. But today I'm expecting less traffic as compared to daily usual days, and moreover, curfew is also there, right? So there's a possibility that there may not be many people on road. This highway work is going on from long back. I hope I can show you, but since there is traffic, I cannot touch the camera also. Maybe I'll just take this down once I get chance somewhere on the road. I hope it is clear to you. You can see it from the window maybe. This work is going on forever actually. I remember last time when I remember the first time when I came this route. It was still happening on the car actually. When I came here, I saw this. And there is another reason why I didn't start the vlog in Vizag itself, because this car is my father's, and we all know that in traffic we have to move bumper to bumper, and I don't want to distract myself with respect to anything. I hope the angle is clear now. You can see the outside also. Let's head back to road. I should have got my camera mount for the car, but I did not get it. I was not having any plan to record this video or do any such video of this sort. So that's why I did not get my camera mount also. But I got my GoPro just because I wanted to go to a store called Bikers Hub in Hyderabad, Vizag. My actual plan was to buy some gear as I was. I definitely need to do something about this. And that's my favorite car, Scorpio. Don't ask me why we took this car. Middle class family, middle class things, and we like to focus more on mileage as compared to the power and looks. That's why we took this car. Even though this car doesn't give much mileage, this gives around average of 18 kilometers on the road. So I don't think that's more mileage. If you want more mileage, I think we have gone for Baleno or Maruti Swift maybe. That gives you more mileage as compared to any other car in the market right now. If I'm not wrong, there can be any other cars, I don't know, but yeah, as per my knowledge goes, as far as my knowledge goes, so that's what I know. So speed limit is 80 on these roads, but no one follows that. And the main reason why I wanted to vlog here is that I learned driving recently, and when a person learns driving recently, he generally gets this itch in his palms, in his hands, in his legs, to race with everyone on the road. And you also feel that whenever you ride on road, you feel that the other person who is traveling along with you, or he's on the road beside you, you feel that he's trying to race with you, and that's how the feeling of riding or racing with them comes. So one should avoid that. If you can avoid that, then only I think you can be a good driver. And it is also important to maintain your safety, and you need to also remember the safety of your family members who are traveling along with you. So it's always better you keep yourself focused on the road. Don't divert your attention even for a bit, because in a second things can happen which you cannot explain in future to anyone. So it is always better to focus on the road. Maybe too much gyan I am giving you people, but that's something we should be always worrying about whenever we are driving. Even it is a bike also, you should be ready for the worst eventuality that can happen to you. So keep that in mind and focus more on driving whenever you are riding. So it's just a small talk I just wanted to do with you people. Maybe I'll end this vlog here and get back to you guys again with some another vlog. Oh, sorry. Before going to that, I forgot to tell you what I was about to tell you. My main reason to go to Hyderabad was some family things, and apart from that, I also wanted to get myself a new riding gear. The only riding gear I was planning actually. So I went there to buy that, but since this curfew started, I dropped my plans. I don't want to risk anyone's life, because even if I'm immune to that disease, I may spread it, and I don't want to go out. So that's why I did not go. Maybe in a couple of months I'll go again and I'll get the gear once the situation is sorted. Otherwise, let's hope for the best. And I had some plans also this month to go on a trip on the bike, but I think that's not gonna happen. Even if it's gonna happen, I definitely need a gear, and then I have to come to Vizag again. Or we do not have that gear in Kakinada. Yes, we do not have that. And okay, that's the reason I just wanted to tell you people. And there's one thing, no, there's nothing actually. We'll discuss about that in the next vlog. Maybe in a couple of vlogs I'll try to post a review about my bike which I recently took, KTM Adventure 390. I just wanted to do the review after 1000 kilometers. Maybe I'll do a first impression video of that bike, how I felt after riding it for the first time. So that's maybe you are gonna see in the future. In the future vlogs you may see that. Other than that, there is not much information that I can share to you people right now. So adios guys, let's meet in another vlog. Till then, take care, bye bye.